Hello Internet, this is LordMaddog and I'm coming at you with another tutorial for the MetaHuman character creator. So today we're going to talk about presets. Might be the second thing you kind of need to know if you're going to be using it. It's not, if you're going to be using, you want to be making NPCs and different things, then yes, you will need to know this one. This is really easy. We're going to go over it real quick. Right here, you see I already have a character already set up for our presets. We've got, I'm calling him the male dwarf. He looks, I'm not really good at creating characters, but I think he's looked pretty good for a small dwarf character. All right, if you had armor on, I think it'd work. Maybe give him a longer beard. I'm not sure. Anyway, so with that said, we're going to go ahead and jump right on into the tutorial. We're going to go to our data tables. We're going to go data. We're going to go meta character creator, data, blueprints, data table, and we're going to look for either if this is an NPC or a preset that we want a player to be able to play. They're both right here, the NPC preset and preset list. So let's just say we're going to go ahead and make it available for both the player and the NPC list. So we'll start with the player list. We will come down here, we'll add a new. First thing we're going to need is a icon. So we will make that icon real quick. I'll show you how to do that. It's not all that professional looking. We'll just run over here in the corner, turn around, look at the camera, kind of square up, click the face, get where we kind of want it, and then we'll come down here in the bottom and we will type high res screenshot 256. Boom, it'll pipe the picture. We'll pop over here, see where it's at right there. I'm not really completely pleased with that one, so we will go face again, and we'll try to get a little higher and see how this one works. 256. There it is. No, now we're cutting off his head. That's not good. Maybe try again. We might just end up going with the first one. 256. Yeah, we'll just go with the first one. That's the best one we got so far. So we just escape, bring this up. We'll rename it to right here. We already have our kind of a set we have here. GVT icon preset. And we're going to name this male dwarf. Well, that didn't, that's right, male dwarf. All right. So now we need to put this into our system. We're going to go back into here, presets. We can figure out where the other ones are laid. Now we open Show and Explorer. So we can now drag and drop our preset icon here into that location. Boop, it's put in there. We don't need that open anymore, or any of the other ones they accidentally opened by clicking on that button. There we are. Come back into here. It'll now be available with, we'll just go ahead and grab one of these so it's easier to find the location. Then we'll go to him, make sure we click on it. We're going to turn it to a UI. You don't actually have to do this. I just find that it's better for performance user interface, and turn it to there. Now we have ourselves an icon. Now we just need the all these details here, and that's very easy to obtain. We will come here underneath the map. We will grab this thing. We will pull it up so we can see it. This is my icon keeper. So we will hit play. We are right there on this character. Hit F8, jump into this, then come down here and we hit save presets. What this will do is it'll copy all this data we need. He has no accessories on, so we don't need the top one. Copy, preset, paste, copy, paste, copy, and paste. There we go. And if we go ahead and end the simulation, jump back in here, we'll have to move that back out of the way. We go to presets, and now we see down over here in the corner, we have the new row preset. We need to name that dwarf. So it won't be called new row. M dwarf. All right. We could probably give him a name or something. Who knows? So now he's available in our presets. But let's say we want to play with him as an NPC instead of play with him as a character. We now need to put his preset in the NPC preset. All right, so we're just going to go and reopen this location, Control B. We'll open up the NPC preset, and we can even just, I think we may be able to copy this and just paste it on over here. Can we do that? Paste. Oops. I just deleted the other one. I need to just hit add and then hit paste. There we are. Now we have a dwarf. There we are. NPC. Now let's say we want to use that NPC for something. We're going to go ahead and open up the map for combat. So we go to levels. We're going to combat level here. Let's save. Yeah, we want to save the detail. We want to save our presets. We want to come over here. And these guys here, this one is spawning the current character we set up last time. It's child. So right here, enemy child. Right now we have it set to NPC index of random, but because we want to try all being that character we just created. So we got to figure out what index he is going to be. He's going to be index 9. And then we'll just hit play. And we'll... All right, so we'll play as him. He doesn't quite work because he's too short for this character setup. So we'll just switch to somebody here. Oh, we'll play Sam. We'll play as Sam. There we are. We'll go beat up the dwarf we just made. Kick your way through the boxes. Push your way through the boxes. There we are. What is going on? There is a bug. That is not him. I must got the wrong preset. So what preset is it? I think it would... Oh, no. Okay. Yeah, it's actually 8. It's actually 8 because it doesn't start from 0. All arrays start from 0. You got to remember that. So it's actually 1 minus the number on there. So it'll actually be 8. My bad. Yeah, I always forget that that's how the arrays work. It starts from 0s. It does not start with 1. There we are. Right there he is. You now fight the little poor dwarf. Beat the poor little guy off the... Ouch. Or he beat me. There we go. We beat him down. Oof, and another one comes out to beat me. And that is how you add a preset. I hope this tutorial has been useful to you. If you have any questions, comments, or any other thing you would like to talk about, I am always available in the comments or on my Discord. LordMaddog, signing off.